Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about what is the fastest way to get pregnant. The fastest way to get pregnant is to watch for signs of ovulation and have frequent sex around that time. Having slippery, egg white-like cervical discharge, which has a texture that helps sperm move efficiently and survive, is one of the surest signs you are about to ovulate. Consider investing in over-the-counter ovulation predictor kits, OPKs, which detect luteinizing hormone, LH, that surges right before you ovulate. Although evidence is limited, a review of research suggests OPKs could boost your chance of getting pregnant by up to 40%. What are the signs of not being able to have a baby? About 80% of couples conceive within 12 months of trying. So if you aren't pregnant despite having frequent and well-timed sex for a year, or half a year, if you are over 35, you may have fertility issues. You can't conceive if you don't ovulate. Signaled by irregular periods or absent periods. Anovulation is often connected to being very overweight or underweight, exercising excessively, experiencing very high stress, or having PCOS. Painful periods or pelvic pain can also be a sign of infertility. Up to 30% of conception failure is linked to male infertility. But because there are no obvious signs, it's a good idea for your male partner to get a semen analysis if you can't get pregnant after many months. Additionally, 30% of couples will not know why they can't conceive, and may not have any signs or symptoms other than not being able to get pregnant. Watch my previous videos to learn more. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.